EIFS Stucco Repairs in Rochester, Michigan. Choose our experienced team for long-lasting EIFS Stucco repairs in Rochester, Michigan. Although EIFS is a well-liked exterior finishing system, damage can occasionally occur because of a number of reasons. We offer residential and commercial building repairs for EIFS, exterior insulation and finish system, sometimes known as synthetic stucco, in Rochester, Michigan. Our services cover everything from minor fixes like cracks and holes caused by woodpeckers to major ones like automobile damage, improper termination at grade, and synthetic stucco delamination brought on by moisture intrusion. Repairs with residential EIFS. There are a number of problems that Rochester, Michigan residents who have synthetic stucco on their homes may have. It could be a modest repair, such as plugging a woodpecker hole or mending a few minor cracks, or a significant repair such as delamination caused by water penetration. Whatever the problem, it's better to get it fixed right once to prevent more harm to your house. Repairs with commercial EIFS. Commercial structures including offices, malls, and stores commonly incorporate stucco as part of their exterior cladding. Commercial synthetic stucco repairs demand a unique set of skills and knowledge. We have a team of professionals who are skilled in industrial exterior insulation and finish system repairs. Small fixes. For synthetic stucco siding, minor repairs are very typical. Woodpecker holes, flaking, and other minor defects can happen, but they usually are not a big deal. But if ignored, they might develop into more serious issues. We provide quick and simple fixes for small exterior insulation and finish system issues. Vehicle damage. EIFS cladding is subject to considerable damage from vehicles. For instance, if a car strikes the side of a building, the synthetic stucco covering will be damaged, leaving the structure open to moisture infiltration. To maintain the structural integrity of the building, vehicle damage needs to be repaired right away. Improper termination at grade. Water intrusion from improper EIFS termination at grade can seriously harm the stucco coating and structural integrity of the building. This is a frequent problem, and as a contractor for exterior insulation and finish system repair, we are qualified to locate and fix any termination problems. Moisture infiltration causes EIFS delamination. As moisture seeps behind the system and undermines the adhesive holding the insulation board and finished coat together, synthetic stucco delaminates. If not resolved right away, this problem could seriously harm the building's structural integrity. Conclusion. We have a wealth of experience in offering both residential and commercial repairs, and as an EIFS repair specialist servicing Rochester, Michigan. Our services cover a wide range of concerns, such as vehicle damage, termination at grade problems, and delamination brought on by moisture. Contact us right away for a free quote on our repair services if you are having problems with your EIFS cladding. Projects we've completed. Bird damage. Here is a project we worked on that had several woodpecker holes, which can pose a significant challenge. While most cases involve just a few holes, neglecting the issue for years can result in a much larger problem, as illustrated in the accompanying image. However, the battle doesn't end with patching up the holes. Preventing future bird damage is just as crucial. Vehicle damage. The remarkable restoration of a commercial building that was damaged by a snowplow truck is captured in this stunning picture. We get a lot of repair requests from customers whose structures have been damaged by plows after a significant snowfall. Thankfully, our knowledgeable team of experts was able to work its magic and bring this building back to its previous, immaculate state. You made it all the way to the end of this video. You are obviously interested in EIFS stucco repair and maintenance. You need to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on, so you are notified when our next video is released.